Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and a follow. If you're watching us on YouTube, come on over to Rumble. Please give us a like. The raspberry bush is done. Oh, almost. We still get a couple of raspberries. Very nice. Okay, now it's done. That's it, finito. Well, I'm gonna have to do some canning today. Been collecting some small zucchinis. Our carrots. Carrots need to be dug up, that's for sure. But not today. Today, it's going to rain. Cloudy this morning. It's supposed to start maybe around 8 this morning. Yeah. And then it's supposed to be, it's supposed to get cooler starting at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Then it'll go down to like 11 degrees, right? Yeah, so the cool air is here. It's going to be cool all week. Overnight lows just above 10 degrees. It's not something to enjoy in the summer. It's going to feel like I'm back up north again. And our sunflower just still deciding to open. Minus the pot, it's got to be over 6 feet. How's our zucchini doing this morning? You got some more for me? No, almost that one. So we will see how these plants will do in a cooler weather. Growth will slow. Bug activity in the morning will slow. What we got here? Nope. A couple of failed zucchinis there. These guys didn't do their job. Oh, crapola. Hey, once again, another one. Yeah, I found another one at the end of the day yesterday too. How did I miss that one? All right, that one. See, just a little bit more. I mean, how did I miss this one? Looking all around last night, as I do every evening during the watering. Still missed it. Disappointed with myself. Oh, the drain's back. Okay. Well, our bush beans, again, we didn't have any last night. There weren't really that many to pick. But I guess we'll have some tonight. Finally, a few more here. Oh, last night was crispy kale and zucchini and some corn. Well, our in-ground potatoes, oh, plants are just starting to turn now. should get a decent crop out of this. And maybe with some rain this evening or today, help with the water bill. I think this evening we will be having alio in folio. No need to dig up potatoes. Squirrel activity. And of course our giant kale plant. So, why these onions? Planes, trains, and automobiles. It's all you bloody hear here. It's the advantage of being next to a Air Force base, I guess. So, any other secret zucchinis? No? Here we are at the squash box. So, I wonder, is this what they call, something's hair. I know there's a municipality that has issued a bylaw that they'll fine you if you find this stuff. Not here, of course. They find the stuff growing on your property. Apparently, it's got some medicinal purposes. Anyway. So, little gourd growing that was going on. Yeah, keeps getting bigger. Oh, look at this little fella here. Oh yeah, baby leaves coming to an end. End of the life cycle. Yeah, so I'm figuring this vine here that we noticed yesterday, it's probably just got choked out down below. That's what happens with the competition, eh? It's a ruthless world on the squash vine. And I think we are done seeing those egg-laying beetles. That's okay, because it's the end of the growing season. I wonder, I'm gonna have to give this another spray after the rains. But yeah, the plant's coming to its end anyway. Let's give this guy help here. There we go. Uh-oh. Ow. Okay. Well. Wow, it's mid-August. Past mid-August now. And this is the state of the garden as we come closer and closer to fall. Just over a month away. All right, let's go in the front. Go have a look at Butch. Yeah, well, while we're here, let's have a quick look at this. So these have, I guess these should rot off. Oh, it's not all of them, eh? And then these would spread out and seed somewhere. Still leaves a gap when you pull it. Well, to our lavender. A squeeze. A little smell. Oh, there's some weeds in here. Oh, that's a big one. There we go. blown sunflower. Gotta be careful while I'm walking here, because I don't want to walk on the pumpkin plant. Well, I guess we gotta decide which way it's gonna go, eh? Let's do it that way. Maybe we'll try to tease it along the side of the house. Now, Butch, how you doing, Butch? Oh, look at you. Plenty of flowers. All right, let's go dive deep into the zucchini. Oh, we might have some more zucchinis. Looks like they're growing. Hopefully, the bees, well, the bees ain't gonna see it. Oh. All right, let's make sure. There we go. Let's see if that works. All right, our other pumpkin plant, just attracting the critters like crazy. Perfect. Well, it looks like we have another winner for today, just for today. And our other sunflower. Ooh. Maybe that's lack of sun. But it has not opened yet. And what's going on here? Oh, still trying. Okay, our morning glories are sporadically flowering here and there. There's a deep purple one. Here. With the cloudiness, little black flies flying around this morning. I'm not impressed. They fly around and pop in your eyes and get up your nose and into your ears. And our other, it's a good growth this year on the morning glories on the left side. Very good. Well, the front box has turned into something wonderful this year. I don't think I could have expected a better outcome. I'm very glad with the flowers. All right, well, if you've made it all the way to this end here, I really appreciate it. Please come and join us again while we look at the growth throughout the end of the growing season. Thank you all for being here. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.